Hello, welcome to AgriTech YouTube channel. I'm here to give you tips on how to take care of your newborn piglets. First few hours in the life of a pig are important. What you do to the piglets will determine the rate of its survival. You need to provide warm housing for the piglets. Ensure where you put them is an enclosed area that is free from pests and diseases. Keep crib boxes clean. This is the boxes that you put their food and water. And also provide a temperature of about 20 degrees plus. Keeping them warm and clean will prevent stubborn disease that eliminates them, such as pneumonia and diarrhea. Make sure piglets have access to colostrum, the first milk that provides them with what they need to build their immune system. You cut the teeth of the pig so that they will not injure the sole when sucking, and it will keep them at ease. And you can also cut their tail to avoid cannibalism. Feed the sow with lactating feed, a supplement for milk production, and also give them clean water. So is the mother pig. Give piglets iron injection on the third day. Iron injection is cardinal because piglets are born with limited red blood cell. Ensure pigs kept indoors are supplemented with iron. Free-range pig can get iron from the soil. Pigs are clean animals. Keep their sty dry and clean. Disinfect it at least once a week and keep your production from external infections. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified.